Hey guys, welcome back. So let's try to draw the rest of the figures right here. Okay, this is actually I don't know, which is page number 3 probably. So let's try to draw this. As you can see from this figure, it's clear that the first figure is the basic constituent of all of these objects provided here. Okay, that could be like, first the height will be given as 100, so you can totally turn off your snap or grid. I don't want to care that line, and I'll draw this right away. Top is 100. Okay, the top it is 100. Now let's try to draw all these figures. You can make use of your modify tools here. Might be a little bit struggle if you're not familiar with modify tools. Alright, if you are not familiar with modify tools, don't worry. Okay, you can have circle. Circle is having a radius of you can say that the circle is having diameter of 14.35. okay, click and you can go for diameter. Diameter is 14.35. Then we are having the you can copy that first point to second point. And if you try to measure the distance, but that's not relevant here, but anyways, if you try to measure the distance right from first point to second point, that is 14.35, which is written here. And now we are having a height of 17.3 right here, so kick up the line, then 17.35. No, this is only 17.3. Can I undo that? And 17.3. Alright, now you're having the base angle that will be 90° as these both lines are tangent to itself. So take up the line, first point, and pick to the tangent. Same case, you can do it right here. Probably right from here to here, that will be probably tangent. And if you measure the angle between, that will be 90. That have to be 90. Again, we are having this gap here, so for the gap I like to draw a line to the center, and I like to turn on trim, so first and second. Well, that is over. Now you can delete all these 3 lines, so you're left up with this gap. Like a little bit, if you want to draw a bit more faster, okay, take up the first circle and there is a line here. Line is having the length of 17.3. okay, then draw it to the tangent and draw back to the center, and you can trim this part and delete this part and turn on the mirror. Okay, that is it, and delete this line. Well, that is it. Anyways, you'll get this diagram. Now let's see what's happening in this case. So we are having a line of 100 is given here. So I don't know what is going horizontally. And I can copy this line right at the top. Okay, you can see that the first asset is right in here. Move it. First point right to second point. I think that is going to the center. Then you have to select it again. Then you can rotate it. Okay, that is it. Okay, this is the first case, or that's obviously based on your syllabus, but there's something called a Malkara, and pick it up, and I like to move it. Click here. I like to rotate it. Then just pick it up here and exit it. It's a simple tool which you can substitute for a lot of modified tools together. Tool is Malkara. Okay, you can move, copy, and rotate. I think scale is also there. Yeah, move, copy, rotate, scale, and if you can change the base point, you can do that. Well, that is the first case. Now we are having a line which is passing through the tangent. So you can draw that line here to perpendicular and you can extend it. Okay, now the shape goes right into here, so you can either use macro or you can just copy this, then you can rotate it. You know, the thing is you have to select it each and every time, which is kind of crazy. Now you can again mirror. Right now, now let me copy or mirror this, which is not a part. Now let me mirror this again. Select it, mirror, first point and right in here. Okay, well, now again this will be rotated onto this part, so it can make yourself rotate. This will be the base point and you can copy that to where to turn on 90-degree. Okay, again I like to select these parts and again let me try to mirror it, first point and that angle, or you can just simply pick a point right here. Wow, now we can, well, copy this. Okay, before copying that I just wanna mirror it, make yourself the center point. Okay, you can copy the upper side, this line, and the lower part. Okay, then you can copy. Make sure that you have picked this point for copying, and the target point will be the intersection of these four lines here. Well, that's quite clear. Now what you can do here is you can select these figures. Okay, then I like to copy that right from here to it going here, and it going, is it going here? Yes, it is going here. Okay, you have to count how much you have to go. Then I think, well, anyways, I hope that the drawing is completed, and you know, we can just take here and trim it apart. Right, that's it. So simple thing, I'm doing all these things for you to understand the logic of this question, okay? Not to teach you on how to draw this.